Welcome to Nature's Melange. Pantropical jumping spider, Plexippus peculi, a common member of most houses, has been showcased from Belgharia, Kolkata, West Bengal, India. The venom of this spider is harmless to human but contains proteins with insecticidal properties. Thank you for watching and Happy New Year.